This little plant is called Impatience minor. This one also is nowadays become less the population as the invasive weeds and all have increased, and it's one of the hundreds of this impatience or impatience that are there in our moist areas like Western Ghats and Assam, Meghalaya, Bengal and all. Lot of variations and varieties are there, and this one I myself hadn't given much attention to it. Now I did my first video on that Impatience balsamina. After that I thought let me have a look at these also. They're very seasonal, they come on their own, and you'll find them in the little unexpected places like it needs a reasonably good soil. Not really, now it grows on walls also, but there it's compromised. Here you can see it's a nice big plant, and along with so many other companion plants, it's growing very well. Doesn't look unhappy. And these flowers are very tiny, hardly a couple of millimeters. But if you look closely, they have a kind of a simple type of village beauty. And you can see a lot of ants, maybe they pollinate this or something. So that's the impatience. It has many of the features of that impatience group, that is these bursting seeds, these little things. There it bursted. Then these leaves also have that soft touch, and flowers have their own that features of that species. And then these other birds and all. And here you can see clearly how nature can coexist so many species. This is that Curcumis madras patnensis or something like that, one of the cucumber family. Then Mimosa pudica, the succulent grass, this impatience, and then the sonchifolia also is there here. Nice one. These pink flowers. And then some more of these impatience are there here. All these. It's a small, tiny little thing. Impatience minor. It's kind of a derogatory name.